JD, what do you have? See, this is our first Christmas, and Mama and Daddy are mad at us because we got up at 4:30 in the morning. Open it, sugar. What is it? Open it. He's a turkey, Mom. I'm still cranky because we went to bed at 11 last night. Can you help her, Daddy? I'm video. No, like. Hi, little babes. The ducky scare you. Come open present.